Hello, welcome to my channel. Learn to speak French with me. Apprendre parler français avec moi. So today we're going to learn some new words and we're going to learn a few more sentences. And when you want to look at a woman and you want to tell her you are beautiful, and we have to know when to use tu and when to use vous. So tu is more an informal word which you can use with friends, but vous is more a formal word which you use with elders, people at work, people you don't really know. So for instance, if you had to look at somebody at work and you want to tell her that she was beautiful, because in French, every word has a feminine and a masculine form. So if you had to look at a woman and say that she looks beautiful, you say you are beautiful. What you would say, vous êtes belle. Vous êtes belle. And if you were a woman and you had to look at a friend of yours and you wanted to tell him you're handsome, because we usually use tu to a person whom you know who is probably younger than you, and in a very informal way. So if you had to look at a boy and you had to tell him you are handsome, you would say tu es beau. Tu es beau. So we say je suis, which means I am, and then you say tu es, which means you are, and then you say vous êtes, which is also you are. And if you're also addressing to a group of people, then we would say vous êtes, because tu is a singular form of you and vous is a plural form of you, and it's also used when you want to give respect to somebody and when you want to use it to somebody whom you don't know, somebody elder than you, and it's also a respectful manner of saying you, and then you would not say tu but you would say vous. So it's vous êtes belle and tu es beau. So I've put these letters F and M to indicate feminine and masculine. Now, moving on to our next slide, we're going to recap a few of those sentences that we've already learned. So how would you say I would like 1 kilo of potato? You'd say Je voudrais 1 kilo de patate. And let's also look at the other sentences that we've learned in the last lesson. So how to speak French is translated to comment parler français. I can speak French is je peux parler français. So that brings us to the end of this lesson, and I really hope that you find these videos useful to speak French. We're going to learn more and more words and more sentences that we could use in our daily lives. A bientôt. See you soon in my next video. Do like and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications for new videos. Thank you.